Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you guys how to replace a blend door actuator for a 2011 GMC Terrain. This one we got an issue with the heat not working on it. You'll either have an issue with the heat not working, being stuck on cold, or your AC not working, being stuck on hot. So the problem with this one, 99% of the time, is going to be your actuator, the little motor that switches it from hot to cold. You'll also, if it's broken, you might hear some clicking going on with it. As you could hear in this case, if we go down underneath here. I don't know if you could hear that, but it's making a clicking noise. So in this case, we're going to replace the blend door actuator, and we'll show you guys how to do that. First, we want to take out the glove box. The way we do that is we open it up, and we just hit it on the bottom of the glove box to pop it out of place. And that guy comes right out like that. And then if you look here, this is the motor that we want to replace. First, to start out, let's take out the connector. Just push this little tab on there and pull that out. To give us a little bit of room, I'm just gonna unhook this wire harness and these two spots. Now we can wiggle that guy around and give us a little bit of extra room. I also disconnected it off of the blower motor. And also disconnected that connector in the back there too. That way it gives us some extra space to work around the screws that hold that motor in place. So these guys are going to be 1/4 inch screws on there, so we'll grab a 1/4 inch socket. Some of them we'll take out with the Phillips head screwdriver, but the ones in the back, those are a little bit hard to get to. So we'll start out with the hardest one first. It's going to be the guy all the way in the back. Put our 1/4 inch drive ratchet to our 1/4 inch socket. We'll work that guy out. And after you loosen it up a little bit, you could take the socket off of the ratchet and just twist it off by hand. We got that out. Now let's loosen up the top one. Show you guys what I'm talking about, the noise. I'm gonna try to connect the motor here and see if it makes the noise. Oh, it looks like it doesn't want to make it now. It's a little bit shy now. We'll continue on with the repair. Alright, so we'll take out this top bolt on here, or screw. Get that out the way. And then we'll loosen up the easiest one. Supposed to be the easiest. Alright, so now we got all three of them out. Just wiggle this guy out of place. And then these teeth, make sure you guys realign the new ones in the same way that this one is. This is the new one. We got an original GM blend door motor for this one. Let me focus this. Get you guys the part number here. So that's the original part number. If you guys want to get an original one. Alright, so pretty much installation is reverse of what we just did. Just make sure you guys line up the teeth on the motor with the hole in the back on the heater assembly. It's supposed to go in there pretty smoothly, pretty easily, and then we'll just start up all these screws. After you guys got all those screws nice and tight, go ahead and plug back all these connectors that we took out. Plug this one for the blower motor back up. Clip these guys back into place. Before you guys close it up, you can try it out. Make sure that it works, make sure it's not making any noise. Yeah, so right now it's moving from hot to cold perfectly the way it should be. We're not getting any clicking noise coming out of the bottom here, so that means our motor's working good. None of the other ones are messed up. So we're all good to go now. So yeah, if you guys are having heating or AC issues on your GMC Terrain, most likely is going to be your blend door actuator. This guy right here. So once you replace that, you should get your issue fixed. So hope this video helps you guys out, and good luck with the repair, and thank you for watching.